All right, last but not least, this problem is not as hard as kids made it out to be. So I'm going to show you a really simple one and see if it begins to make more sense. What if I told you that I had one whole something, like let's just say eight pounds of chocolate, okay? If that was my total amount, 8 pounds of chocolate, and let's say that I told you that I gave 1 pound of it to Miss Wirt, because she's not that hip on sweets. And I gave 2 pounds of it to Mr. Mayor because he has a sweet tooth bigger than Miss Wirt's. How much would be left over? Well, if I gave you that problem, you would be like, Miss Slimmy, you're insulting me right now. All I did was I know that the total is 8, and I know that I have some missing pieces, and I'm trying to find a missing part. Elbow. Do you remember what operation we use? We use subtraction when we find a missing part. So I just do 2 plus 1 is 3, and I would know that my leftover piece would be 5. Well, now I'm going to do that same thing, but with fractions. So what if I just had one whole, and I told you that I gave half of my pizza to Rosa, and I gave a fourth of my pizza to Cameron? What would you do to figure out how much was left? Well, you can do the same thing. You can add the pieces together and subtract it from the total. Now, the thing that's weird is if you have one whole, you might have to turn that into a silly number in order to do your subtraction. I am confident that someone in your group will be able how to figure this one out. And if not, it's okay because it's just for fun. Okay, enjoy.